Hello girls, let's start our revision today on present simple tense. Pay attention please. When we use the present simple, we use it to talk about things we do all of the time. It means habits. When I do something all the time, it's a habit. Examples: I get the bus at 7 every morning. Ali brushes his teeth before he goes to bed. I play football at break time. My sister goes to grandma at the weekend. So what I do every morning or every weekend, it's a habit. We use present simple to talk also about things that always true. The sky is blue. This is true. The earth goes round the sun. This is true. It means a fact. I am a student. Yes. Tigers are big cats. Yes, it is a scientific truth. School starts at 8:05 a.m. and finishes at 3:30 p.m. So all these are true situations. Time expressions, or we call it keywords. Every day, every week, every month, every year, also on Sundays, at weekend, in summer, in the morning, in the afternoon, and so on. Example, she studies French in the afternoon. We have also adverbs of frequency, which are often used like always, usually, often, sometimes, never, and other words. Example, he never watched TV after lunch. Remember please, adverbs of frequency are placed before main verbs like play, eat, walk, teach, and so on. But after auxiliary verbs, verb to be, verb to do, verb to have, they are auxiliary verbs or helping verbs. Also after modal verbs like can, must, and other modal verbs. Okay? Examples to explain it. He always plays football. Adverb of frequency here, always, we put it before the main verb play. But in this example, he is always ready. When we find verb to be, we put the adverb of frequency after it. So we put always after is. Okay? Great. How to form the present simple in the affirmative form? We form the present simple with the infinitive of the verb. How? We put subject plus infinitive or subject plus infinitive. At the end of the verb, we can put s or es according to the pronoun or according to the subject. Examples: I work, but he works. You work, but she works. We work, but it works. And finally, they work. So, with the subject or pronouns, as I, you, we, and they, you put the infinitive verb only without adding s, but when we use he, she, or it, we put the infinitive verb plus s or es according to the rules. Okay, third singular person, it means the pronouns he, she, it, and what kind of verb we can use with them. Okay, we can put s or es or ies to the infinitive verb with third singular person. How? Let's see. General rule, we put the verb plus s. Examples: run, runs, read, reads, smile, smiles, write, writes. This is the general rule of infinitive verb with third singular person, it means with pronouns he, she, or it. Okay, but we have different rules. Verbs ending in letter Y. When we have letter Y at the end of the verb and before it we have a vowel verb, we add only S, add the general rule. But when we have a consonant letter before the letter Y, we change the Y by I and add ES. So we cross the Y and put IES. As you see in the examples, play, plays, we put S, pay, pays, put S. But when we find study, consonant letter D before Y, we change the Y to IES. Also, cry, cries. Next rule, verbs ending in S, double S, SH, CH, X, O. Do you remember these letters? S, sh, X, O. Yes, very good. Okay, when we find verbs ending in these letters, we put ES. Go, goes, watch, watches, kiss, kisses, relax, relax, watch, watches, do, does. Remember them very good. Okay, how we can form the negative form of present simple? We can use don't or doesn't as a helping verb. Negative form, we put subject or personal pronoun plus auxiliary verb do or does, means helping verb, plus not plus the infinitive verb. We can use a short form of do not, don't, does not, doesn't. I don't play, but he doesn't read. You don't dance, but she doesn't study. We don't eat, it doesn't sleep, and they don't like. So, with the first type of personal pronouns, I, you, we, and they, we put don't plus the infinitive verb. But with the third person pronouns, he, she, and it, we put doesn't and also the infinitive verb. As we said, we use don't with these personal pronouns, I, you, we, you, they, when we want to make a negative sentence in the present simple tense. Don't cry. But we use doesn't with he, she, it, and put also the infinitive verb, cry. Important, in negative form, we don't change the verb. So in the affirmative form, we put S with he, she, and it. But in the negative form, after doesn't, we put the infinitive form. Interrogative form or question form, also we use the helping verb do and does. We begin our question with do with the personal pronouns I, you, we, you, and they. Do you study? Do they study? But we use does also with the personal pronouns he, she, it. We can ask, does she study? Also, we put the verb in the interrogative form without changing. In question form, we don't change the verb. Never put S or ES or IAS and so on. Okay, let's make some exercises together. Choose the right answer. My Teddy space every day. Run, runs with ES and runs. Yes, very good. My Teddy runs every day. My Teddy is the personal pronoun it, so we can put s to the verb. My Teddy space every day doesn't run, doesn't runs, don't run. Yes, very good. The answer is doesn't run, because Teddy is personal pronoun it. We use does to make negative form and put the verb in the infinitive form without adding any letters. Make a question, space my Teddy, space every day, does and runs, do and runs, does and run. Think a little. Yes, very good. Does my Teddy run every day? We put does to make question with personal pronoun it and put the verb in the infinitive form. Another example, I space a letter. Don't write, don't write, doesn't write. Very good. The answer is I don't write a letter. We use do with the personal pronoun I and put not, then the infinitive verb. How can I make a question? Space I space a letter. Does write, do write, does writes. Now, who is clever to answer this one? Very good. All of you are clever girls. Do I write a letter? Yes, we use do with the personal pronoun I to make a question and put the verb in the infinitive form, and don't forget to put question mark at the end of the sentence. Okay, this is our new lesson today. Please study well and do your homework. Page 4, exercise 103, sure in your roundup book. Page 5, exercise 5, 6. Page 6, exercise 7, 8. Page 9, exercise 16 and 18. Page 10, exercise 18, 20 and 21. You can also will find some exercises as a revision on present continuous tense with present simple tense. Have a nice time, girls. Goodbye.